BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir has said US sanctions on former Army Chief Aziz Ahmed prove corruption during Awami League regime. Mirza Fakhrul also said this at the program held at Dhaka Reporters Unity in 7th death anniversary of Shafiul Alam Pradhan, founder of Jatiyo Ganotantrik Party (JAGPA), which is BNP's joint movement ally. The BNP Secretary General also said if anyone doesn't fix his or her own house, no one else will fix it. He also said it is needed to stand up on your own strength, and Mirza Fakhrul said that there is no reason to be happy to see the ban on Aziz Ahmed. Earlier, there was such a ban on RAB as well. However, nothing happened. Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir also said BNP does not want to ask the government, rather it wants to establish the right to vote for people. Meanwhile, people already boycotted voting in Upazila spontaneously.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।